A lot of people in fitness and nutrition community, as well as carnivores, are missing out on an essential upgrade, which is bone broth. You're focusing on getting your macros right, eating meat and eggs for the protein and fats, but you are still short on nutrients that come from tendons, bones, ligaments, and that's the stuff that helps you be healthy and strong in the long run. Muscle meats give you macros, but bones fill in the minerals, collagen, glycine, and many others. And you cannot get all that stuff just from steaks. Some people decide to supplement these or use a store-bought bone broth, but I say, why not make it at home, as it is super easy, affordable, and way more potent without any additives like store-bought crap. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step process. First I will roast the bones and then use a pressure cooker to extract all the nutrients in significantly less time. Let's get cooking. Let's get started by getting some beefy bones. Here I got a mix of meaty and marrow bones, about 1.5 to 2 kg in total. I find that the variety gives deeper flavor and more nutrients. Get a roasting tray and place all the bones in it. Salt them on all sides. Do not skip on this. It pulls out a ton of flavor. Into a preheated oven at about 200 degrees, we place it for about 45 minutes or until you get some nice browning. That Maillard reaction makes everything taste way better. Once it's cooked, you can scoop out some of that bone marrow, hit it with some salt. It's a high-fat, nutrient-dense snack, healthy and delicious. Move the roasted bones to the pressure cooker. I love using a pressure cooker for this because it cuts cooking time by 2 to 3 times if we compare it to a stove-top simmering. Here we have some more of that marrow. We will let it melt into the broth. Now, optional step here is adding a splash of vinegar. It helps to pull out the nutrients, but honestly, I usually skip it. Scrape all of that browned goodness from the tray into the pot. It's full of flavor and nutrients, so let's not waste it. Pour in enough water to cover the bones, seal it up and get it going. We wait for the pressure valve to pop. That's our cue that cooking has started. 3 to 4 hours later, this is literal gold in a liquid form. I got a couple of glass containers here to separate the bones, meat and finally the liquid broth. Make sure none of the bones are mixed with the meat though. Strain everything through a mesh for a smooth, clear broth. Separate the bones from the meat and remove any of that small bits from the liquid. Look how easy it is to break the bones apart after the 3 hours of cook time. As an extra, we also get some meat that we can turn into a quick meal, so nothing goes to waste. Chill the broth in the fridge overnight. Fat rises and solidifies at the top. You can scrape that off and use it as a beef tallow. It's my personal favorite cooking fat. If this video was helpful, smash the like button. It really helps out the channel. Look at that jiggle. High collagen content right there. Your body uses it to rebuild connective tissue, reduce inflammation, improves digestion, and helps you recover. One happy cow, zero waste, only gains.